डिजिटल का दौर है, हर किसी पर खुद को बेहतर साबित करने का प्रेशर है। इन शॉर्ट, टू मच वर्क प्रेशर। पर ये लैपटॉप, कंप्यूटर या मोबाइल से निकलने वाली हार्मफुल ब्लू लाइट्स का क्या? इसलिए प्राइम ब्लू ब्लॉक लेंसेज। इसकी एडवांस टेक्नोलॉजी आपकी आंखों को हार्मफुल ब्लू लाइट से रखे दूर, क्योंकि नजर अच्छी रहेगी तभी तो मंजिलें नजर आएंगी।
प्राइम लेंसेज, योर विजन, आवर पैशन।
Welcome to the visionary world of Prime Lenses, where clarity meets innovation. It is said that beauty is in the eyes of the beholder. And at GKB Lenses, our mission is to keep your eyes safe and healthy through our cutting-edge products.
We are the second generation in this industry, started by my father, and we've been in this business for more than 65 years. And how Prime Lenses has evolved as a progressive lens specialist. So we can see that we have among the best range of progressive lenses available in this country. We are making more than 4,000 pairs per day of progressive lenses. All our progressive lenses come with a adaptation guarantee. So there is no need for any doubt. If there is any problem with your lenses, you are welcome to come back to your optician, and within a month's time, he will sort it out for you. So that is the Prime Progressive Lens Guarantee.
Established in 1960, the GKB Group, famously known as Prime Lenses, has become a trusted name in the ophthalmic industry. Over the past 64 years, we have grown from strength to strength, expanding our product range and reaching over 50 countries with the finest quality, mineral and organic ophthalmic lenses. Our extensive range of lenses has become synonymous with quality among retailers and distributors. From the single vision lenses, Vistar and VMAX, to the progressive range, Taral, IP Wide and Tailor-Made, we are not just manufacturers. We are creators of vision.
वो कहते हैं ना, जब दूर की नजर कमजोर होती है, पास वाले भी दूर जाकर खड़े हो जाते हैं। ऐसे में सही रिश्तों को पहचानने के लिए जरूरी है आपकी नजर का सही होना। इसलिए प्राइम प्रोग्रेसिव लेंस, इनकी ट्रस्टेड क्वालिटी और क्राफ्टेड टेक्नोलॉजी आपके विजन को बनाए बेहतर, फिर चाहे नजर पास की हो या दूर की।
Your vision, our passion.
Witness our latest innovations like the Wonder Lens for single vision and Ausen for progressives. Experience the world through our photochromatic brand Turbo, setting new standards in vision technology. With the technical expertise spanning glass to plastic and hard coats to multi-layered coatings, our high-quality ophthalmic lenses are perfected in our state-of-the-art labs. Prime operates 4 digital labs equipped with the latest processing and coating technology in Mumbai, Delhi, Kolkata and Bengaluru, ensuring precision and excellence.
The progressive lenses also comes in a variety of materials, indices, with different properties like shatterproof, blue block, photochromatics, polarized. And then on top of that, we put our superior range of coatings, which provide anti-reflection to the lenses and also prevent them from getting scratched and increase the life.
Our commitment to excellence has not gone unnoticed. Prime Lenses has proudly earned several awards, a testament to our dedication to technological advancements and quality.
800 करोड़ की पॉपुलेशन है वर्ल्ड वाइड, और उसमें से 300 करोड़ को विजन करेक्शन की ज़रूरत है। और हमारी इंडस्ट्री में हम सबका सपना है कि हम इन लोगों की हेल्प मदद करें। हम प्राइम लेंसेज में इन सब प्रॉब्लम का, इन सब सपनों का सोल्यूशन लेके आए। हमारी टेक्नोलॉजी इंटरनेशनल है, हमारी मशीनरी इंटरनेशनल है, पर हमारा कंसेप्ट, हमारा थीम मेक इन इंडिया है।
in the age of technology leads with innovation. Introducing Blue Block, a revolutionary solution for the digital era. As electronic device use rises, our Blue Block lenses reduce the impact of blue light, providing comfort and protection. To our valued retailers and distributors, thank you for your confidence and support. As we look to the future, Prime Lenses is committed to strengthening ties with our consumers. And in our latest stride, we are proud to announce the association with the celebrated film actress Juhi Chawla as our brand ambassador. Together, we aim to enhance brand recall and connect with you, our cherished consumers.
आपके हस्बैंड की इनकम का नंबर हो या बच्चों के एग्जाम्स का नंबर, बढ़ते हुए नंबर हमेशा अच्छे लगते हैं, पर अगर आंखों का नंबर बढ़ने लगे तो बुरा लगता है। इसलिए मैं अपनी फैमिली के लिए भरोसा करती हूँ प्राइम लेंसेज पर। वीमैक्स कोटेड है, कंफर्टेबल है और पूरी फैमिली के लिए सूटेबल है।
Your vision, our passion.
At Prime Lenses, our journey is not just about seeing, it's about seeing with clarity. Join us as we continue to pioneer innovation and set new standards in the ophthalmic industry. Prime Lenses, where vision meets precision.